Secrets, tips and tricks to make money online? There are many ways to make money online, and the specific strategies you choose will depend on your interests, skills, and resources. Here are some tips and tricks that can help you make money online. 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to make money online through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and other monetization strategies. 2. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. 3. Sell products online. You can sell products online through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. 3. You can sell your own products or become an affiliate and promote other people's products. 4. Do affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products through affiliate marketing. 5. Offer consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer consulting services to clients and charge a fee for your time. 6. Do online tutoring. You can offer online tutoring services for students who need help with specific subjects. 7. Create and sell stock photographs and videos. You can create and sell photographs, videos and other content online through platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, or Shutterstock. 8. Invest in online businesses. You can invest in online businesses, either as an angel investor or through crowdfunding platforms. 9. Do online research. Many companies are willing to pay people to do research and complete surveys online. You can do them as a freelancer or sign up on platforms that connect researchers with companies. 10. Drive for a ride-sharing service. You can use your own car and drive for a ride-sharing service such as Uber or Lyft and make money on your own schedule. It is important to note that making money online can take time, and not all strategies will work for everyone. It's crucial to do your research, test different strategies, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Also remember that scammers can also be prevalent online, so be careful when handing over money or personal information.